Reduction of metal oxides by carbon. Metals of low reactivity can often be extracted from their ores by relatively simple methods. But what happens with metals from around the middle of the reactivity series? How to obtain metals such as zinc, iron, lead from their ores? Carbon has an important role in the extraction of these metals. You can see that they are less reactive than carbon. Metals are often found in their ores as oxides or sulfides. The sulfides, such as lead sulfide, can be converted to the oxide by roasting in air. So lead sulfide, PbS, plus oxygen, O2, can give lead oxide and sulfur dioxide. Lead oxide is the metal oxide. Then, carbon can be used to extract any of the metals below it in the reactivity series once the metal oxide is produced. For example, lead oxide. Carbon is mixed and heated with the oxide to displace the metal. Here's the equation for the reaction of lead oxide and carbon. 2PbO, solid, which is lead oxide, plus carbon, C, gives 2Pb, lead, plus carbon dioxide, CO2, which is a gas. Remember that lead oxide and carbon are heated in order for carbon to displace the metal, which is Pb. Displace means takes its place and joins with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, and Pb is left as simply lead. So this is carbon, and this is PbO, which is lead oxide. It's the metal oxide. Lead is less reactive than carbon, and carbon is used to reduce the lead oxide. What happens is that carbon displaces the metal and joins with oxygen to produce CO2, and that lead, which is Pb, is produced. Another example other than lead oxide is tin oxide. So if tin oxide is heated with carbon, what do you think that the products will be? Tin oxide and carbon, tin and carbon dioxide, tin and sulfur dioxide, or tin oxide and carbon dioxide. Think about it. Excellent. The products are tin and carbon dioxide. In the reduction of metal oxides using carbon, a product is the metal and carbon dioxide. The metal in this case is tin, so it's produced along with carbon dioxide because carbon will displace the metal in the metal oxide. It will displace tin in tin oxide. This is the reduction of metal oxides by carbon.